In today's video, me, Pete, not so much of him, AJ, shows you some of my favourite camera transitions. I got this.
What have you got?
Well, it's based on the comments. Not from me, but kind of like the bearer of bad news.
What comments?
From them. What it is Monday is you.
Yeah.
Oh look, here's another product. Let's look at this product. Is it a good product? Wednesday, me and you vlog, people like it.
Right.
Friday,
yeah,
people start to like it, me and you, intro to a tutorial. In today's video, oh, I like that, Pete.
Yeah.
But it's a shame you spent the rest of the video with AJ in the computer. So I was listening to them and I went, I got this. They want a bit more.
I don't see those comments. Didn't see any of those comments.
Yeah, it was in the comments. They wanted something like this.
So you're going to show it?
I'm just responding to their comments.
So it's about you?
You'll be in it, but just behind the camera.
So you want me to help you?
They do. They want.
I didn't see any of these comments.
Yeah, it's the comments. It's
so I've got to help you make this video more about you.
That's what they.
Alright, no, I can do that.
So it's
fine. No, I've got you.
If you're the cameraman, just help me with some of the transitions.
Absolutely got it. I edit these videos, not you. You can stay back there. It's about me. How do you like them apples, Pete? Yeah, how do you like them apples? Yeah, stuck in the screen. Yeah, you're in the screen. I took the shot from earlier and I put it there.
I can't see what's going on, you know. Yeah, hello, I'm here.
But you're stuck. How does it feel to be stuck in the screen, you know? You're not really that important anymore. You just sat back there. Out of focus.
Well, it is still about me because I'm in this shot here in your
You're in the next scene because I edit these videos and I made it about you. This is as far forward as I thought.
I'm going to use a camera trick just to bring them in. This one is called Clappy Handy.
Clappy Slappy. Right, okay. Go on then.
Ready?
Didn't work, did it? It's all about me. I'll make it. I know the stuff. Clearly not.
Ready? That's it. Now I've got you full frame. It's all about me. It's all about you. It's all about transitions. No more nonsense from AJ. Straight on to it. The next one is a maneuver I like to call the Peter Pan. It's a swooshy. We cut it in the swoosh. We join it with the next shot. This one's exciting. I'm going to share it with you. Let's go. Swoosh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love them. Oh, cat videos. Oh, What are you? Not this bit. Not the. I want to do the pan from. No. Hey, go back. I mean, you've got to work with what you've got. I've got AJ. And he's determined to ruin this video. That was meant to be some Peter Pan magic. Peter Pan magic. But AJ's determined to ruin it. He's dropped the good shot and he's put in a rubbish one of me watching cat videos. Yes, I like cat videos. Anyway, on to the next transition, and it's all about clicks. Now, with the click alone, that's just an audio distraction. What we need to do is a body gesture. So I'm going to make it look like I'm dropping into the shot by a little, oh, ready? No, when you combine the two, AJ, combine the two, I'll do the body movement and the click, and then cut it, and then we'll join the next shot, and this is how it should be. See that? Now, that is a move that I like to call the slicky clicky. Now, if you want to make your edits slick, make sure you use the click. And you can use that click for everything, from moving shots, or even to make something appear in front of you, like a delicious meal. AJ. If you're determined to ruin everything that I do, AJ, then we might as well give up. My apologies. Obviously, the slick click can be used to teleport a person or a meal, or as AJ's done here in a terrible prank with the edit, some watermelon. So let's move on and I'll show you another great transition. Now, here we are in the corridor, and the next transition that I'm going to smoothly move on to is called the Morgan movement. All it takes is me to transition through a doorway. And let me show you how that Morgan movement works out in this shot. Oh, for goodness sake! Door's swollen. And there you have it. That's called the Morgan movement, one of my favourite transitions, and you can use that in your video providing you just drop it in down below. We use the Morgan movement and that will be fine. Now on to one of my perhaps favourite transitions, one famous from YouTube, but obviously taken originally from me, and it's called the fisting.
You can't call it fisting.
Fisting?
Fisting? You're going to call it fisting?
What's wrong with that?
Do you know what fisting means?
Fisting? No. Insertion? Right, scrap that. I'll call it something else. Can you come up a little bit? So guys, for our final transition, the friendly fist, okay? And to the outro. Boom.
Whoa.
You got
punch my lens?
You got to punch it.
Do you know how much this costs?
You got to punch it.
Just pretend, right? Don't actually punch it. Okay, go.
So from the friendly fist, the bro fist, if you will. And here we go, into the outro. Bro fist. I didn't mean to knock it that hard.
Honestly, £1,000.
Yeah.
Have you got £1,000?
Now.
Just cut straight, just cut, come on.
And for my last transition, taking you to the outro, the friendly fist. I called it the friendly fist. The try and keep it still if you can, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
The friendly fist. Ready? And to the outro.
Just end it, end it. Can you just end it?
Why is it not going
Just
back
end
in?
it. Can you just, I don't know.
Can you not get it back into
the
focus?
Focus is broken now.
Will it go back into focus? I didn't hit it that hard.
Just end it.
Friend,
just a hand, just a hand.
Friendly. Boom! Like that.
Well, at least one of them worked. You do realise that it's £1,000 lens you were punching.
Yeah, but...
Did you afford to replace it?
What was their comments? They were like, show us. So
Yeah.
You've got this, suffer for your art, AJ.
I've looked at the affiliate links. We've made about 20p. We definitely can't afford to replace lenses. I need to call you up on a couple of things.
Right.
The names. Peter Pan. It's
Well-
not named after you.
Well, it can be.
Someone else invented the pan.
No.
If you use the Peter Pan in your videos, let us know below with hashtag Peter Pan.
Oh, that's going to be trending. I mean, it's a massive hashtag because when I first started doing it...
Because of the size of your head. And that leads me on to nicely to the Watermelon Squad. If you're not a member yet, sign up to our Filmmakers Club on Patreon, the Watermelon Squad.
No, it's not been that for a while now.
Just look over your shoulder, left shoulder. Nothing there.
Right, can you stop doing that?
If you're not a member of the Watermelon Squad, well, you're missing out because you get access every month to our filmmaking assets, presets, and the warm, fuzzy feeling inside you
Of being a filmmaker.
being a member of the Watermelon Squad.
Right, so it's just going to ruin my whole video. This was about me today, sharing with them.
I think they'll agree.
It
This
was
has been
their
really
comments.
good. It's been all about you all the way, and I think it's been a screaming success.
If you're as furious as me that AJ's kind of hijacked this and turned it into his own agenda, put it in the comments below. Hashtag hate him. Okay, I need to work on it.
Yeah,
Hashtag look at me, I'm AJ.
How do you spell moo?
Just drop it in the comments. We'll see you on Friday. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry. His fault.
Little song to end?
Yeah, please, yeah.
Little song to end, okay.
Oh, cool.
This is is my little song to end the vlog. It was a good video, not a vlog. Mikey sent us this custom play button. He's helping us get it to work because it lights up with like subscribers and stuff. It's not from YouTube, it's not a proper play button, but it looks quite cool because it plugs in with USB. It's a custom button for you and me.
Mikey's Lab. Mikey's Lab. Mikey's Lab. He's a good lad.
He's a good lad.
That was good.
Thanks for watching.
I mean, do we still have to pay him for it?